welcome back to the channel Home of Programming. Today we are here to create a new and interesting series of problem solving. So do comment your thoughts in the comment section that came into your mind when you hear the term problem solving, right? Why I am asking for these comments is trial and error is a method that works well with programming. No other method will work for programming except trial and error. So with no further delay, let's get into the session. So what exactly problem solving is? So problem solving will give you a detailed and a simple set of instruction or steps with which you can solve a problem, right? For example, if you want to create a new recipe, you need to know the ingredients required for creating that particular recipe, right? So instead of knowing that ingredients, you can't create a fantastic recipe, right? So in such a way, for doing anything or solving any kind of problem, a separate set of process need to be created, right? So problem solving will let you know the steps in detail to solve a problem, right? So let's see the agenda of today. So this is a very introductory video and we will not see more about problem solving in this particular video, but in our upcoming session I will let you know about each individual concepts of problem solving, starting from algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart, right? So this particular series will be useful for everyone, from the school students to graduates and working professionals, right? So do watch this video completely without skipping any sections, right? So let's get into the session. So first we will see about IPO cycle, which is nothing but input, process and output, right? After that we will know what is a program. After that we will know what exactly a machine language code and what exactly is high level language, and finally we will know about compiler. So these are all the agenda of today, which is very simple. So let's move on to IPO cycle, right? So in the previous session of personal computing and networking essential, I have told you that a computer is an electronic device that processes information based on the given instruction, right? So to process anything, a computer has to receive some input, and based on the instruction provided by the developer, it will process the given information and it will produce a relevant output, right? So this is a basic process of solving a problem, right? So for any kind of problem, we will need to know about the inputs and we have to process it with relevant information and we have to provide the relevant output. So as I told you before, for creating any recipe, the ingredient required for the recipe will be considered as an input. The formation of ingredients, like, so we may, for creating some kind of recipes, we will boil some of the ingredients and we will try to fry out some ingredients, right? This frying or boiling will be in the process stage, and the fantastic recipe that comes at the end of your making is known as an output, right? So literally every problem is solved based on an IPO cycle, which is nothing but input, process and output, right? So this is a very brief introduction of IPO cycle, right? So for a computer we have to feed some input. It will process the input based on the instructions that is given and it will produce the relevant output, right? So after that, what is a program, right? So program is nothing but a set of instruction to perform a desired task, right? So these set of instruction will be in simple English language, right? So this is all about your program. So what a program is? It is a set of instruction designed to create or solve a particular problem, right? So what is a machine code, right? So machine code is nothing but, in the previous slide I have explained you what is a program, right? So program is a set of instruction that is given to a computer for processing some task, right? So when it is given to a computer, the computer can understand only the binary language, that is the computer can understand only zeros and ones, right? So the program that is given to a computer will be converted into machine level language code, right? So machine level language code is nothing but zeros and ones, that is binary values of the program, right? So this machine level language code will be understandable by your computer, right? So whereas the high level language is nothing but the programming language which is used to provide some simplified instruction to your computer, right? So this is about machine language code and high level language code, right? So then finally, what is a compiler means? Compiler is a machine that is responsible for converting your high level language code into machine level language code, right? For example, in the previous sessions we have discussed about Java, C# program, everything, right? So in each program, when we compile our program, the code, for example, if it is a Java program, we might write a print statement as system.out.println, so which is of very simple English, right? So these English words will be converted into a machine level language code such as 000, 1000, 1001 like that, right? So this process of converting your high level language into machine level language is performed by your compiler, right? So this is a very brief intro of problem solving session. So in our upcoming session, what we will learn is, we will learn about algorithm, how to write an algorithm for performing a specified task, and with the help of that algorithm, how to implement a flowchart and how to implement a pseudocode, and finally how to convert your pseudocode into a respective program, right? So these things we will learn in problem solving sessions, right? So stay tuned with Home of Programming for learning program in a very easier way. So if you like our videos and our way of teaching, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.